Hello friends, in the great initiative of Company Law Institute of India Private Limited, in this series of income tax cases, today we are going to discuss a very important case on prosecution. The name of the case is Shrimati ANJUGA SELVI ALAGIRI versus Deputy Director of Income Tax Investigation. This case has been reported in 448 ITR at page number 169. The matter has been decided by Madras High Court. In this case, the show cause notice to the assessee was issued because the assessee was having the income relating to the interest on fixed deposits and a lot of expenditure has been incurred by the assessee on the credit card bills. When assessee received these notices, after that the assessee filed the income tax returns for the 4 years. Even in these returns, the assessee did not disclose all the incomes which the assessee have been earning in the 4 years. The department pointed out those escapement of income and made the assessment. After that, the department initiated the prosecution against the assessee for the 4 years. The assessee filed compounding applications for these prosecutions. Out of 4 years, the prosecution for 2 years was not compounded by the department. That is why the assessee for these 2 years were before the Madras High Court for questioning of the prosecution which has been started by the department. Now the question was that whether in these circumstances where the assessee has not filed his returns of income even after issuing the show cause notices by the department, the assessee has not shown all his income particulars. So whether in these type of cases, even if the assessee deposits the tax in the ultimate scenario, whether it is a matter of right for the assessee to claim compounding of offences. The answer to this question is a big no. The reason is that the compounding of offences under the income tax provisions is not a matter of right of the assessee. It is the discretion of the officers depending upon the facts and circumstances of each case that whether the compounding should be allowed or not. If compounding will be allowed as a matter of right in every case, then the very logic of prosecution provisions will not be there. So in this particular case, the Madras High Court did not allow the compounding application of the assessee for the 2 years. The simple reason was that because the assessee has not come to the income tax department even after the notice by the department to the assessee with clean hands. In this particular case, the prosecution was initiated against the assessee under 2 sections. One section is section 276CC, prosecution for not filing the return of income, and another section was section 276C subsection 1, that is prosecution for evasion of tax. So in this particular case, the assessee was not allowed to drop the prosecution proceedings initiated against him, simple because of the reason that even after being notices issued to the assessee has not come to the department with clean hands. It is only after the search by the department on the income of the assessee, or you can say that when the department has come to know from its internal sources that the assessee has not shown his income properly in the return of income, then in this particular type of cases, in these type of circumstances, the department was very justified in not dropping the prosecution proceedings against the assessee. So, by the appeal of the assessee against the orders of the department for not dropping the prosecution proceedings or for not compounding the prosecution proceedings, the Madras High Court gave decision in favor of the department. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Shrimati ANJUGA SELVI, ALAGIRI versus Deputy Director of Investigation, Income Tax. And this case has been reported in 448 ITR at page number 169. Thank you, friends.